If you want to delete your Google account from Google Chrome, the process of doing so is extremely simple. So today we'll be going over exactly how to do that, starting off with how you do it when you just have the basic desktop app. So what you want to do is click on your profile icon in the top right and then proceed to manage Chrome profiles in the menu that pops up. From there, a list of all the accounts linked to that Google Chrome browser will appear. So click on the three dots next to your profile again and click on delete. If instead of removing an account you just want to have a different one to use instead, well, that's where you do that as well. Now let's go over the process over on the mobile version of Chrome. A thing to note here is that the process is pretty much the same on both Android and on iOS. So what you want to do is just tap on these three dots in the top right, and then from there you want to go down a bit until you see settings and then tap onto that. Then you want to go onto your profile, which will be the topmost option. Just simply tap on your name, email and profile icon, and then you want to scroll down until you see sign out, and once again your Google account will be removed from this browser instance. Now there's two important things to note about this. Number one, you can actually continue to use Google Chrome without a profile. It will simply just give you an option to not sign in, and you can just take that. Another thing you may be asking yourself is, well, what happens to your browsing history and all of your details saved to that browser? Well, all of that stuff isn't saved in your local browser instance, rather it is tied to your Google account. So all of your history and everything else, it is still safely tied to your account. It is not deleted when you remove your account from Google Chrome on your device. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about how to remove your Google account from Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.